Single-story homes are a popular choice in Rowlett, offering convenient layouts, easy accessibility, and comfortable everyday living. When it comes to choosing the right windows for these homes, functionality and design matter just as much as appearance. Slider windows are a natural fit for single-story properties, providing practical benefits that align perfectly with how these homes are built and used. Easy operation for everyday living. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is how easy they're to operate. Slider windows open horizontally along a track, requiring minimal effort to use. This simple design makes them especially convenient for single-story homes, where windows are often accessed frequently throughout the day. For Rowlett homeowners, slider windows offer smooth, reliable operation without the need to lift or crank. This ease of use is ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens where quick ventilation and accessibility are important. Ideal for low, wide wall openings. Single-story homes often feature wider wall spaces rather than tall vertical openings. Slider windows are designed to fit naturally into these wider areas, making them a practical choice for many room layouts. In Rowlett homes, slider windows complement horizontal architectural lines and create a balanced, streamlined look. Their design feels intentional and well matched to the proportions of single-story structures. Maximizing natural light and view. Slider windows typically include large glass panels that allow plenty of natural light into the home. This is especially beneficial in single-story homes, where maximizing daylight helps prevent rooms from feeling closed in. For Rowlett homeowners, slider windows offer clear views of the outdoors while maintaining a clean, unobstructed appearance. Whether overlooking a backyard or garden area, these windows help bring the outside in and make interior spaces feel brighter and more open. Supporting effective ventilation. Good airflow is an important part of indoor comfort, and slider windows provide flexible ventilation options. Opening one side or both sides allows homeowners to control how much fresh air enters the room. In single-story Rowlett homes, slider windows can be strategically placed to encourage cross-ventilation. This helps fresh air move through the home naturally, creating a more comfortable indoor environment. Space-saving design that works anywhere. Unlike windows that swing outward or inward, slider windows operate within their frame. This space-saving design makes them ideal for areas near walkways, patios, or landscaping. Rowlett homeowners appreciate that slider windows won't interfere with outdoor spaces or interior furniture placement. Their low-profile operation keeps both indoor and outdoor areas functional and uncluttered. Low-maintenance convenience. Slider windows are known for their straightforward design and minimal moving parts. This simplicity translates to easier maintenance and long-term reliability. For single-story homes in Rowlett, slider windows are easy to clean and maintain without ladders or special equipment. Homeowners can comfortably access both sides of the window, making routine care more manageable. Enhancing comfort without overcomplicating design. Slider windows support indoor comfort by providing consistent operation and reliable sealing. When closed, they help maintain a stable indoor environment, contributing to everyday comfort throughout the home. Their clean lines and simple design also blend well with a variety of interior styles. Whether a home leans modern or traditional, slider windows enhance the space without overpowering it. A practical match for single-story living. Single-story homes are all about ease, flow, and functionality, and slider windows reflect those same qualities. They're easy to use, well-proportioned, and adaptable to different rooms and layouts. For Rowlett homeowners, slider windows offer a smart, practical solution that complements single-story living. By combining natural light, ventilation, and convenience, they help create homes that feel comfortable, accessible, and thoughtfully designed for everyday life.